Problem 4. The numbers from 1 to 49 are arranged in a spiral pattern, beginning at the center, and the few numbers that have entered, first few numbers have already been entered into the grid below. How many of these shaded squares are prime numbers? So notice that if you keep extending these numbers, you'll realize that of each of the squares, final number is that like the square number. For example, 4 is 2 squared and 9 is 3 squared. So that means that this thing here would be 16. So this is 17, 18, and that is 19. And then this would be 25. So this is 23. And then this would be 36. And that would be 49. So we get that the numbers here are 19,